Today we're taking a look at the ScanLogic audit. This is part of our ScanLogic series. The ScanLogic uses a fingerprint in order to gain access. This video is going to deal with how to set time delay on a ScanLogic series. So similar to some of our ProLogic series, time delay can be accessed by going into the managerial menu. How you do this on this particular lock is you put your fingerprint on as the administrative fingerprint. This has been enrolled as the manager or administrator. And now it'll come to select menu, and I press down until I arrive at set or cancel time delay. And we will press OK at set cancel time delay. And now we can specify how many minutes. I can go up to 99 minutes, but for demo purposes we'll just say 1 minute. Now it asks me to set the time window. Again, I can go up from 1 to 15 minutes here, but for demo purposes we'll set 1 minute. Time window is the length of time you have after you count down time delay to put your finger back on or enter your code. So time delay has now been set on this particular lock. So we'll let it go to standby, and now I'll demonstrate how you open a lock with time delay set. So I'm going to open the lock as a user. ID 02 to 30 are users. You'll see here it says time delay start, and now what will happen is it'll count down the time delay period for whatever period you set. In this case we've set 1 minute, and it will flash up on the screen here every 15 seconds to show you where it stands within the time delay. That said time delay 15 seconds. So now it'll go through a counting procedure until it counts down that minute time delay that we've set. Then we'll have 1 minute to put our fingerprint back on in order to open the safe. You'll see that this particular ScanLogic series has what we call a multi-numeric keypad. If we wanted to enter a code here, because we can have up to 30 fingerprints and 30 codes, we could enter code by pressing the code button and then entering a 10-digit code. A 4-button or multi-numeric keypad has to have a 10-digit code. So how you would do that if your code was 1 through 0, for instance: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. You press each button once for the number that is represented. Now you'll see that that said time delay has expired, and now it's in time window. So it came up and said time window 45 seconds. We know we set it for a minute, so I've got a minute to wait to put my finger back on here. So I'll go ahead and put my finger back on, and this could be any valid fingerprint. So it checks to see, it opens the lock, and you're in. One thing I will mention is the admin fingerprint or the admin code, user ID 01, is a time delay override code. So I'll show you how that works. I'll put my administrative fingerprint on here. It'll check to see if it's me. It is me, and it'll say time delay override, and the lock will open immediately. So that's how you set and manage time delay in the ScanLogic series.